Hello everyone, this is Bernice from the Nappy Mouse, and in today's video I want to show you a flip through of a junk journal that I created using the 5x7 envelopes, or they're a little bit bigger, 5 1/4 by 7 1/4 envelopes from Waste Not Paper. And I'm just going to show you exactly what I did and some of the stuff that I used, but a lot of things are from my stash, but I'll explain to you as I go. And I'm also planning on doing a video tutorial on how to create a envelope junk journal. Okay, so here we go. This is pretty much, let me get the measurements completely. This here is let's see, I'll say 5 3/4, give or take, by 7 1/2. Okay, and here is this beautiful wide ribbon. I honestly don't know where I got this. I don't know if it was part of a present that was gifted to me and I just saved the ribbon, or if I had bought this. I don't know, but there's certain ribbons and papers and all kinds of things that I will not throw away. I hoard them, yes, I will admit. So I keep them, and I thought it would be great for this particular project. This particular flower here, where was this from? I think I got it at Michael's. It was in the like the flower section, but I think it was on what do you call it, clearance or something. These particular flowers here is I do carry at the store. They are from Petaloo, and I have that. This ribbon here, what I did is I wrapped it up like this, and I'll show you in a video what I did, and a few times, then tied it off and added to this. Here are some twines that I had. Some these are like almost like felt leaves that I actually found at an estate sale, so I bought a few. This particular paper on the background paper, that's all glittery and everything, that is from Recollection, and I forgot the name of it's a 12 by 12 paper pack. It's only one-sided. It's not double-sided, but it's really, really beautiful. So yeah, I went to town with it. Here is something that I had before from, this was actually a correspondence card set, and I took it and ran it through the Big Shot with one of the embossing folders that I had this. So yeah, so far this is it. This is from the paper pack itself. And then this, the matte background, the gold, is also from Waste Not Paper, and that is called Shimmer Antique Gold. So yes, as you can see, that is what I have done. I fussy cut this particular butterfly and just added it here. So yeah, let's go inside and take a look. Okay, here's the inside. I did an open flap over here that you can add any kind of embellishment or any kind of sayings or word. You're going to see that this particular one, there's not much to it, and I did that on purpose only because I know that the recipient may want to add their own touch or their own ephemera, and so I didn't want to make it too bulky for them. The envelope, what is this envelope? I think it is from Waste Not Paper, and it's called Soft White, and it is in the A7 size. But it is, you're going to see that it's just a little thin. So what I did is I took some of the paper and matted them with the Waste Not Paper, the Shimmer Antique Gold, and when I add more to it, it just creates that sturdiness. So that's what I did. And then here's another pocket that comes all the way out. And then here's another one. I hope you can see it here. Maybe I should put something underneath it. Well, here's another flip out, another tab that flips out, and I added this. But every time I add any kind of like flag, I always try to leave it open here so people can stick like any ephemeras in. You can stick the papers inside or whatnot, or a photo that they want to have inside. So yes, that's what I try to do. And then I created a pocket here, and this was more of the ephemera page from the same paper pack. Here's another flip out that flips open. Yeah, I like to kind of surprise I like to create these little secret things and surprises so people can see. I just think they're fun. Here's a tag that I flipped out. Look how beautiful this page is. I could have added some more glitter, but I just decided to stop at this point. But just because I just loved it, and you know when you get to a point where you just don't think you need any more? If you have any suggestions or what you would have done, please let me know. I would love to hear those suggestions. Here's some more flip outs, and these two are cards that you can remove and add some photos or add some like a letter or any kind of thing. This particular one I decided to create almost like a belly band. I mean, it doesn't come out, of course, but it does. You can slide it underneath here. So this is a little pocket, or excuse me, a little book that I created, and just thought it was super, super cute. I do these little books and these little things at the very end, and I see what kind of paper I have left, just so I won't be throwing anything away, and get creative with them. Here are two flip outs over here where you can add more photos or more journaling here. So there's that page. Here's another flip out with some pockets, and in all of the pockets I do have, I did create this for just added treasures, added surprise or whatnot, and also to just utilize what I have. Okay, so here's another flip out too, and there's another pocket there, and look how beautiful this paper is. I just love it. Okay, and then there is the back side. So yeah, pretty cool, pretty simple. Let me know if you want a video on this to actually create one. I'm thinking about doing a smaller version, so we'll go from there. But this particular journal will be available on my online store if you are interested, so go ahead and take a look at that, and that's under the Napping Mouse. Okay guys, let me know what you think, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And also, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, I would love for you to do so. I'm concentrating on putting at least 2 to 3 videos a week. So yeah, got lots of ideas, got lots of projects to show you. Okay, take it easy guys. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.